Good day. Welcome to the Dgml Lending. Today we are going to be talking about how you can own your own house in your city that you live in. Now, so many times people have been thinking and been praying that they want to have their own house. So many people pass in front of estate and they wonder, one day, when will I be able to own this house? Now, with the opportunity that is available at the Dgml Lending, you can own your own house. We have two categories of people that can enjoy our mortgage financing, which are those that are qualified for national housing loan and those that do not qualify for national housing loan. Now, if you are the type that qualify for national housing loan, you know that the maximum you can get from national housing loan is 15 million. I don't know where you live, but if you live in Abuja here, you understand that 15 million cannot get you a finished house any part of Abuja. You will need to balance up. Let's assume the house you want to get in Abuja here, or you want to get in your place with carcass up to finish level, cost about 25 million. And all you could get from the Federal Mortgage Bank is 30 million. So how do you make up for the balance of the 12 million? That is where the Dgml Lending comes in. When we come in, we will ask you to contribute half of the balance, which is 6 million. We are going to be adding our own 6 million. We are also going to be facilitating the processing of your federal mortgage loan, which usually take about 6 months to 1 year. Now, when the process of the federal mortgage loan is going on, you will start contributing to the account that is created for you in our system. As soon as the federal mortgage disburses their own money, and you are able to contribute up to 60% of what you are supposed to do, in this case now we're talking about 3.6 million, we are going to move in, buy the carcass for you, then we'll now engage the service of those that can do the finish. They will now start finishing for you. Now, don't expect spectacular finish. We're going to be giving you very, very simple finish. You know, simple tile, simple painting, simple POP, simple toilet fittings, simple kitchen fittings. Just for you to be able to move in so that you stop paying rent. Now, having completed your balance of the 2.4 million, the key to the house will be handed over to you. Then you stop paying rent. You now have a whole of 24 months to repay back our own 6 million plus our profit margin on it. Now, what about if you don't qualify for NHL? Does that mean that you're not able to enjoy our facility? You can. In this case, you will be contributing 60% of what it takes to get the house to finish. Carcass plus simple finish. When you contribute 60% of what is required of you, we will come in and begin the process of buying the house and finishing it up. Before the finishing is done, we expect you to have contributed the balance of the 40% that is required of you. Now, having contributed the 60 and 40, coming to the 60% of the total value of the house now, the key to that house will be handed over to you. Then, you now have a whole of 24 months to repay back our own 40% commitment to the getting this house for you, plus our little profit margin on it. Now, you can even contribute daily, you can contribute weekly, you can contribute monthly, and you can do our repayment weekly, daily, or monthly. You can imagine if you're a salesperson, you don't work anywhere, you don't have a salary, you don't even know how to access mortgage financing, but you are able to put something away daily from your business towards owning your own house. And at the end of the day, you move to the house, you are still able to put something away daily for you to repay back what is our own money that is in that house. You can imagine how easy it is going to be for you to own a house in your city. And if you're a salary earner, all you need to do is just to put something away from your salary monthly into owning your own house. And before you know it, within 1 year to 2 years, you can be living in your own apartment. I'm sure some of you that are listening to me right now, you'll be living in that same city, doing that same business, working in that same company that you are now for more than 5, 15, 20 years. You've not been able to put together what it takes for you to have a house. But if you key into our program, within 1 year to 2 years, you can move into that your apartment. You can get out in that estate you have been eyeing, and you will be able to do it very conveniently. So if you want to own your own next house using our program, using Dgml Lending interest-free mortgage financing, all you need to do is to visit our website, key in to platinum subscription, right? You have to be a platinum subscriber. Then an account is going to be created for you in our system. You start contributing your own part while we bring you in to process your NHF for you if you qualify. But if you don't qualify, just do your own contribution. When it is time, we're going to move into that estate you want, that place you want to buy the house. We buy the house for you. We move in, we finish it for you. Then you become a landlord. You pack into the house. You are living in the house, and you start repaying back our own money gradually for 2 years. After you finish paying our money, of course, you have room to now take the standard to where you want it to be. You can remove our simple fittings and put your double door freezer. You want to put that your kitchen cabinet that you need to press button and to come out. We know you have all these tastes, right? But let's help you move in first. When you move in to the house, then you can now be a landlord of your own and store parent. So if you want to use our platform, visit our website, like I said, call the phone number that is on the screen, or reach out to the direct executive or the agent who shared this video with you. Welcome to the Dgml and welcome.